Wow, our long life noodles look so good. Welcome to Neena's Thai kitchen. Here is the long life noodles for the Lunar New Year. Nian, Kuai.
The most important ingredients is long life noodles or birthday noodles. Sometimes I use the thick cooked noodles because I like the thick noodles and it's faster and easier to cook. I will show you both ways. Step 1, making egg topping. Use 3 to 4 eggs and add a little bit of soy sauce.
Okay, that's done.
Step 2, veggie preparation. Step 3, frying veggies.
You want to stir it to get aroma out of these pieces here. 1 cup of dried shiitake mushroom. I love to coat it with oil and make it cook first. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I'm going to stir to mix it together. Now time for all my vegetables. You can use any kind of vegetable, it's your choice, totally. I'm gonna cook until the vegetable is about 80% done because we're gonna cook it again. I'm going to turn off my heat and then I'm going to go to the next step, which is cooking noodles.
First, I'm going to show you how to cook long life noodles or birthday noodles. I use only 1/3 of the pack or only 3 bunches. The package instruction requires to cook 3 minutes, but I'm going to cook only 2.5 minutes. Rinse it with cold water right away to stop cooking so the noodle won't be too soft. Now I'm going to add the noodles into the vegetable that we cooked already and turn on the heat.
Now 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. We don't need to cook much because the vegetable is cooked, the noodle is cooked. Basically, we just warm it up and mix it together. What do you think? Here it is. Look. Wow, our long life noodles look so good. Okay, it's done.
You can eat it by itself or you can add choice of your protein. Now I'm going to show you how to cook it with the thick cooked noodles.
So this time I'm going to use the Chinese cooked noodle, which is the easiest one. When I don't have time, I go for this one. You can use the pancit one as well. I'm going to put it in there and all I need is just 1 minute. I just want to warm it up. So now, after 1 minute, I'm just gonna transfer it directly to the sauce or the vegetable that I cooked it before. I'm going to turn on the heat over here to be high heat, and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Here you go. All the sauce that we cooked before, it should mix with the noodles, make the noodles taste good. This is my easy version of long life noodles for Chinese New Year. Done.
This is a vegetarian dish. You can easily add any choice of your meat. I'm adding garlic butter prawns for today. How does it look? Yummy! Paying respect and offering food to the free spirits are part of my family Chinese New Year celebration. Red envelopes and some money, always a good start of a new year. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a very happy Lunar New Year.